Take a look around you. Look at your city. Look at the sky. Look what it is. And think what it could be. Check it.
So we just ordered a bunch of flies from Discounted Flies online. They were about 60 cents per fly, and we've noticed when we were catching the fish, the teeth of the fish were ripping the threads apart on the flies because they're kind of cheap. So what we are doing is we're taking epoxy, this stuff, putting it in a little dish, put a little bit at the end of the toothpick, and then we're just dabbing it around the edges where they were tied, so they have a better grip and they don't come apart. So we'll see. So I'm just putting it around the edges, around the bead, right here. And I'm taking a little bit and putting it at the end. Then going for drying. So they do look a little wet, but they'll dry eventually and they'll look really good.
Seeking paradise, high temperature Fahrenheit. I could take you from the ocean up to the most barren heights. The city's looking different underneath these glaring lights. Won't say it twice, I keep it rolling like a paradise. Keep lacing flows up every